The Deception of Nicolini Law Firm continued in 2019, Part 2. Please feel free to pause and read. Statements of claim, wrongful dismissal, and long-term disability created by ADRIAN Nicolini and Ashlyn Steele's Nicolini Law Firm without my knowledge or involvement. Criminal Act by Nicolini Law Firm, ADRIAN Nicolini and Ashlyn Steele, and the Brampton Court of Law. The creation of false statements of claim created by Nicolini Law Firm in 2 days of my inquiry on January 8th, 2019, 8th to 10th. Both statements of claim were backdated to July 3rd, 2018 by the Brampton Court of Law, created with the intent to deceive without a contract, my knowledge or involvement. I did not retain lawyer Nicolini Law Firm for wrongful dismissal or long-term disability. Okay. As you can see here, here is a statement of claim. Bell Canada. I did not work for Bell Canada, I work for Bell Mobility. And Bell Canada address they have here is 50 Eglinton Avenue East. That sounds like it's in the East End, okay, of Toronto, right? I did not work for Bell Canada. I work for Bell Mobility. My employer was Bell Mobility, and we're located in the West End, okay, 5099 Creekbank Road, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. Okay, there's a stamp here of July 3rd, 2018. Not sure if that was done in, I have a feeling that was done in 2 days. Okay, and there's a little scratch here representing the signature, but no name. This is showing that it was stamped by the Brampton Court, but as time goes on, I realize that a statement of claim has to be certified, okay, on the last page, okay, as we go along. I came to find out years later that statement of claim must be certified, okay? Where's the stamp? There's no stamp. Where is the court stamp? If the statement of claim was certified, okay? The defendant name is incorrect, okay? Bell Canada, no, I work for Bell Mobility. The address is incorrect, okay? Where is the file number? Okay, no file number there. Why didn't I receive a copy of the statement of claim in July of 2018 if it was created? Please feel free to review. Thank you. And as you can see here, these are information within the statement of claim. I just choose just to put in just this just to show you that information was incorrect, you know. Yeah. Defendant Bell Canada, again, I said I work for Bell Mobility, so here this is incorrect, okay. And here I circled it, and it says here the plaintiff has suffered mental distress as a result of the wanton and reckless breach of her contract by terminating her employment without any notice whatsoever, which means distress was foreseeable by the defendant. Now, yeah, anyone would be distressed, you know, based off losing their job of 20 years without severance, but, you know, he's making it seem suffered mental distress as if I went mental, eh? No, I did not. Didn't have to lie. I did not know that this was here. And yeah, the defendant was reckless, yes. Yeah. However, there's a lot of other information that was included that did not represent me, okay? They did have my salary correct. I was getting $28.33 an hour, okay? And that was that would have been increased over time if I did well at the company, okay? Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Here again, it shows Bell Canada, and a lot of information was missing. He's trying to make me out to be mental, I guess, for me to win my case or something. No, he didn't have to do that. I had enough evidence on my own, okay? Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you, okay? MANULIFE insurance, okay, the manufacturer's life, called MANULIFE for short, and Industrial Alliance Insurance and Financial Services. MANULIFE insurance is short-term disability, and Industrial Alliance Insurance and Finance Services, right? This was long-term disability. No, if I had an involvement in a statement of claim, right, I would have separated them, because MANULIFE should stand on its own. For short-term disability, and for damages. Industrial Alliance Insurance supposed to stand on its own also for long-term disability because I was denied. There should have been 3 different statements of claim. I'm suing 3 entities, okay? All right, so as you can see here, they have MANULIFE Insurance as being at Bloor Street in Toronto. Okay, and they do have Industrial Alliance Insurance as being at University Avenue, Toronto. I will let you know that all along when I was dealing with Industrial Alliance and MANULIFE Insurance, they're both located in Montreal. I'm not sure why Toronto address is on there. They're both located in Montreal. Here again in correct information, and then where's the court stamp if this was certified? Nothing's there. Okay, feel free to pause and read. Not a representation of me at all. The statement of claim, no. And the lies continue. So this for MANULIFE Insurance is, as I indicated here in my conversation with Ashlyn Steele on January 10, 2019, I was informed that everything that is stated in the statement of claim is over the top from what it actually is. We overstate what is actually wrong, because in a claim you have to overdo it because it usually goes down from that. I do not want anybody to lie for me. I had enough evidence. I didn't have to lie I didn't have to lie at all. Okay, please feel free to read. Okay, so far as you see, September 7, 2016, this is incorrect, right? This is incorrect. September 7th, you notice that that has been appearing. This lawyer didn't know anything about me, right? So he didn't even remember the date. September 7, 2016. I have a better view on the next slide, okay? I have a better view. But here, does it show you that they took someone else's policy and tried to fit me in? Because here it says the plaintiff pleads that the policy was purchased. I did not purchase short-term MANULIFE policy or Industrial Alliance policy. No, I did not. These 2 companies are with Bell, and they're supposed to cover the employees there, right? And they mentioned for her peace of mind, and had implied covenant of good faith and fair dealing would require the defendant to deal fairly and in good faith with him. I'm not a him, I'm her. So they messed up here. Obvious that this was not about me. When they mentioned that, they mentioned death of tendinitis, but then afterwards they talk about over the top. As a result of the injury, the plaintiff continues to suffer from anxiety, depression, stress, insomnia, and significant back pain resulting therefrom. Wow. No such thing. Okay? Didn't see this until January. Wow. Please feel free to pause and read. And I will show you this section here, and then after there's a voice recorder on what Ashlyn stated about over the top. Okay, I recorded it. Okay. As you can see, I have a better look, a better read, okay, regarding the deception here. She said over the top. So she had to mar my character. And it goes down from there. Wow. Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you.
The statement of claims or just the long-term disability?
Both. The both will be good, yes.
All right, I'll send them to you.
Yes.
Just make sure to know everything that's stated in the statement of claims is over the top what it actually is. We overstate what is actually wrong, okay?
Okay.
Just so, okay, because in a claim you have to overdo it because it usually goes down from that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay then. All right.
All right, I'll give that to you now, okay?
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay, have a good day. Thanks.
You too.
Okay. Heard that. Okay. Then I retrieved from the motion in 2021. I didn't realize what was going on till years later. I kind of tried to figure things out, It's my case, so I have to figure it out, okay? And then I realized that this letter was sent to MANULIFE July 17, 2018. The manufacturer's life insurance, right? They responded. I do have this information. It enlarged on the next slide, okay? I did indicate here the Deception of Nicolini law firm, without my involvement, created a statement of claim for long-term disability against MANULIFE insurance, which was incorrect. If I had retained Nicolini law, right, for long-term disability, I would have informed Adrian Nicolini that 1, I was suing MANULIFE insurance for 1 month's payment for short-term disability, April 2nd, 2018 to May 1st, 2018, and for damages. And 2, I'll be suing Industrial Alliance Insurance for long-term disability effective May 2nd, 2018 to present. All right. And 3, Bear Mobility for wrongful dismissal. I would have separated my claims into 3 parts. Now, as you can see here, as I indicated, 1, I was unaware of statement of claim on this date. MANULIFE received statement of claim on my behalf. If this was true, okay, I didn't know. 1, 2, I did not retain lawyer for long-term disability, okay, and 3, shouldn't I have received a copy for review first, right, before it was sent to MANULIFE or to anyone else? 4, shouldn't I be notified of this letter? Okay, can anyone answer those questions? Okay. Please listen to a voice recorder on 2 slides over of Courtney Madison, lawyer, NAIMARK law. NAIMARK law in 2019. Okay, retained on July 26, 2019, who stated in a conversation on Friday, September 25th, 2020, that it is basically illegal for a lawyer to file a claim on your behalf without your consent. Okay, end of quote. I'm quoting. Now the thing is, I got a little excited, so forgive me. I got a little excited because I'm thinking, oh, did she actually say that? So I got a little excited, so forgive me here. I kind of, I guess when I get excited, I raise my voice a little. But I was excited. Listen to the snippet of a voice recording below. It's 2 slides over, okay? I will show you this section first, okay? Instructed from the previous slide, I'm in total agreement with MANULIFE when they say that they solely administer short-term disability claims on behalf of Bell. Yes, I knew that, all right? I'm in a disagreement with MANULIFE when they say no liability. Yes, they owe for 1 month short-term disability, okay? Nicolini law should not be suing them for long-term disability. That's incorrect.
Yeah, no, that's I'm telling you. 8 months later, I was not retained by Nicolini law. So I didn't know what was going on. So I just went for consultation. It was free. So when that lawyer, Benjamin Law.
For a lawyer to file papers on your behalf without your consent.
Pardon?
It's basically illegal for a lawyer to
Thank you.
file papers on your behalf without your consent.
I would think so too.